Welcome to our exploration of the business environment. In this video, we will delve into the various sectors and forms of businesses. Our journey will also cover the economic factors influencing these businesses. By the end, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how businesses operate within different environments. Let's get started. The business environment refers to the surrounding factors that affect how a company operates. These include internal elements like company culture and external factors, such as economic trends. Understanding these elements helps businesses adapt and thrive. Companies must navigate these environments to achieve their goals. This dynamic interaction forms the core of business strategy. Business activities are the processes through which goods and services are produced to meet consumer needs. These activities are categorized into primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. Each sector plays a vital role in the economy, contributing in unique ways. From extracting raw materials to providing services, these activities drive economic growth. Understanding them is crucial for any business professional.
The primary sector involves the extraction of natural resources. Activities include farming, fishing, and mining. This sector is essential for providing raw materials necessary for other industries. Despite its smaller GDP contribution, it remains vital for food security and resource supply. Sustainability is a growing concern in this sector.
In the secondary sector, raw materials are transformed into finished goods. This includes manufacturing cars, food production, and construction. The sector supports employment and innovation, especially in regions like the Midlands. It plays a crucial role in exports and economic development. Automation and R&D are key drivers of this sector. Understanding this sector is essential for grasping the UK's economic landscape. It includes retail, banking, healthcare, and education. The tertiary sector provides services to individuals and businesses. This sector is the largest in the UK, contributing around 80% of GDP. It is a major source of employment and economic activity. The quaternary sector involves knowledge-based activities such as IT and research. Companies like Google and Oxford University are key players. This sector is crucial for innovation and technological advancement. It supports other sectors by providing essential research and development. As technology evolves, this sector's importance continues to grow.
The private sector comprises businesses owned by individuals or groups aiming for profit. These range from sole traders to large corporations. They are vital for economic growth and employment. The sector thrives on competition and innovation. Understanding its dynamics is key to business success.
The public sector includes government-owned organizations providing essential services. Examples are the NHS and local councils. Funded by taxation, these services aim to serve the public interest. They ensure accessibility to vital services like healthcare and education. The sector plays a crucial role in societal well-being.
The third sector consists of non-profit organizations like charities and social enterprises. They focus on social, environmental, or community objectives. Funded by donations and grants, they often fill gaps left by other sectors. The sector is characterized by volunteerism and reinvesting profits into their mission. It plays a vital role in social support and advocacy.
Business ownership defines the legal structure of a company. Common forms include sole traders, partnerships, and limited companies. Each form has its advantages and challenges. Ownership affects management, liability, and financing. Choosing the right structure is crucial for business success. A sole trader is a business owned by one person. They have full control and responsibility. This form is simple but carries unlimited liability. It's common in small businesses like local shops. Sole traders often face challenges in scaling and financing.
Partnerships involve two or more people sharing business responsibilities. They share profits, losses, and decision-making. This form allows for shared expertise and resources. However, partners are jointly liable for debts. It's common in professional services like law firms.
A private limited company is owned by shareholders and offers limited liability. It's a popular choice for family businesses. This structure allows raising capital without public trading. Shareholders' liability is limited to their investment. It combines security with flexibility.
Public limited companies are traded on the stock exchange. They can raise substantial capital through public investment. Shareholders enjoy limited liability. This form is suited for large-scale operations. It involves strict regulatory compliance.
Understanding franchising. Franchising allows businesses to use a franchisor's brand and model. Franchising uses a franchisor's brand, offering brand recognition and support. It's a popular model in sectors like fast food. Franchising offers support but requires adherence to franchisor guidelines. It balances independence with brand consistency. Cooperatives are owned and operated by members for mutual benefit. They focus on fair trade and ethical practices. Members share profits and decision-making. This model is common in agriculture and retail. Cooperatives emphasize community and sustainability.
Nonprofit organizations operate with a focus on social missions. They reinvest profits into their causes. Examples include charities and educational institutions. These organizations rely on donations and grants. Their impact is measured by social change rather than profit.
Social enterprises aim to solve social problems through business. They reinvest profits into their missions. This model blends business efficiency with social goals. It's a growing trend in sectors like fair trade. Social enterprises balance profit with purpose.
Microeconomic factors affect individual businesses and industries. These include supply and demand, pricing, and competition. Businesses must adapt to these factors to remain competitive. Understanding microeconomics is key to strategic planning. It influences day-to-day business operations.
Macroeconomic factors impact the broader economy and business environment. These include inflation, interest rates, and economic growth. Companies must navigate these factors to thrive. They affect strategic decisions and long-term planning. Macroeconomics provides a big-picture view of the economy. The internal environment includes factors within a company. These are corporate culture, employee relations, and management structures. A healthy internal environment boosts productivity and morale. Companies must align internal strategies with external demands. Internal dynamics are crucial for business success.
The external environment encompasses factors outside a company. These include market trends, regulations, and technological changes. Businesses must adapt to external forces to stay relevant. Understanding the external environment is vital for strategic planning. It shapes opportunities and threats for businesses. Thank you for joining us in exploring the business environment. We hope you found this journey insightful and informative. Stay tuned for more educational content on business and economics.